Good morning to all. This is Kiran, history faculty. Today's question is, who repaired Sudarshana Reservoir? Who repaired Sudarshana Reservoir or else Sudarshana Lake? సుదర్శన తటాకానికి మరమ్మతులు చేయించినది ఎవరు? సుదర్శన తటాకానికి మరమ్మతులు చేయించినది ఎవరు? ఆప్షన్ ఏ అశోక, ఆప్షన్ బి రుద్రదామన్, ఆప్షన్ సి స్కందగుప్త అండ్ ఆప్షన్ డి all of the above. What is the answer? All of the above is the answer. All of the above. So if you analyze this question, Ashoka in the sense of Mauryan Ashoka, he also repaired Rudradaman. Rudradaman in the sense of first Rudradaman, who is a great ruler to Shaka dynasty, Western Shakas. Understand? Western Shaka. And next Skandagupta. Skandagupta is a Guptan empire who suppressed this Hunas. Understand? He was a son of first Kumaragupta. In Guptan period, he was a son of first Kumaragupta's son. Who is first Kumaragupta? Who is the founder of, who constructed this Nalanda University in 5th century AD. His son was Skandagupta. And he repaired this Sudarshana lake or the Sudarshana reservoir. Even he known as a suppressed this Hunas. Understand? Even he alleged that he issued crumbling coins. He issued crumbling gold coins. Understand? Crumbling gold coins or else fake gold coins. నకిలీ బంగారు నాణాలు గుత్తుల కాలంలో ఎవరు జారీ చేశారు? Who issued fake or else crumbling gold coins in the Guptan period? Then your answer must be this is Skandagupta. Who suppressed Hunas? Your answer must be the Skandagupta. Understand? And Rudradaman, first Rudradaman, who is a great ruler at Shaka dynasty, he only issued this what is that Junagadh inscription or else Girinar inscription, which is known as a first Sanskrit inscription in India. First Sanskrit inscription in India, that is Junagadh or else Girinar inscription, that is issued by this Rudradaman. Rudradaman in the sense of first Rudradaman, who is a great ruler at Shaka dynasty. Kardama Shakas, Western Shakas or else Kardama Shakas. And Ashoka, anyway we know it, the great ruler at Mauryan empire, who built this Kashmir. Kashmir ni నిర్మించింది అశోకుడు. మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా గుహ కేవ్స్ బిల్ట్ చేసింది ఎవరు? Kashmir. Who issued this inscriptions at India? Your answer is Ashoka. శాసనాలు జారీ చేసింది, గుహలను తవ్వించినది, కశ్మీర్ నిర్మించినది. Then your answer must be this Ashoka. So this Sudarshana lake repaired by Ashoka, Rudradaman, Skandagupta and these are all three members. And it's in a different time. Understand? So then you may get doubt. Then who constructed this Sudarshana lake or Sudarshana reservoir? Then answer is Pushyagupta. సుదర్శన తటాకాన్ని నిర్మించింది పుష్యగుప్తుడు. పుష్యగుప్త constructed this Sudarshana lake or Sudarshana reservoir, and he belongs to 300 BC. He was a governor of Saurashtra. Saurashtra in the sense Gujarat. 300 BC in the sense he was a contemporary of Chandragupta Maurya. Understand? He was a contemporary of Chandragupta Maurya. Who is this Chandragupta Maurya? Who was the founder of Mauryan empire? Who was the grandfather of Ashoka? Understand? Ashoka father name is Bindusara, and Bindusara father name is this Chandragupta Maurya, who is the founder of this Mauryan empire. So this Pushyagupta was a contemporary of this Chandragupta Maurya at 300 BC. He only constructed this Sudarshana reservoir. కాలక్రమంలో చెడిపోతే డిఫరెంట్ టైంలో డిఫరెంట్ రాజులు దానికి రిపేర్ చేయించారు. అందులో మీరు ముగ్గురు గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఒక్కొక్క ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇలా ఇవ్వకుండా ఒకటి అశోక ఇచ్చి మూడు పేర్లు వేరే ఇస్తాడు, లేదా రుద్రదామన్ ఇచ్చి 3 పేర్లు వేరే ఇస్తాడు. కాబట్టి నేను 3 పేర్లు ఒక దాంట్లో ఇచ్చి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ద అబోవ్ అని ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చాను. ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.